Hi guys, just thought I'd do a video on the 110 as I haven't done one of them for a while on video, and I'm just going through doing a bit of picking in the workshop today, so I thought I'd catch one on camera to sort of show that you can do it with the GJ multi-pick. So let's stop the talking. So I've got a stack of 110s and 3R35s. For that one, I've got to try and reset that one. So these are a lot harder to pick than your normal Mortice locks. So they do require, skill to pick these. Not something that you really want to jump into feet first straight away. You just need to find the right tip. Must be that one. Okay. So let's try and get this on camera. Okay. Select my wire. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be using. Let's get myself set up. Put my other phone on silent so it doesn't go off. Okay, so I'm just going to go through and test all the detainers to see which one, if any, are 9s or lows, as in 8 or a 9. Okay, so straight away it feels like lever number 2 is already in its gate, so that's probably going to be a 9, or it's almost into an 8. So I'm going to leave number 2 alone. Okay, let's go right to the back. Right, a little bit of a give on 5, but it's not picked. Lift that bit more. You do have to be a bit more methodical with these locks, because they are very time consuming. So miss 2, slow, nice little bits of give. Okay, so just lifted 1, and leave 2 again, back to 3, test 4, 5, back to 1, 1, leave 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I'm doing is I'm just going backwards and forwards, just testing all of the levers, detainers rather, and just trying to build up a picture. So these, even if you know the configuration of these locks, they're still a little bit hard to do, so you just got to keep going backwards and forwards to get these open. So I'm just going to go back to 1, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so I'm just going to reset the lock. Okay, so I'm kind of getting a picture. So I'm going to go back to 1, 1, skip 2, and go all the way to the back. Right, 5, that little bit of click out of 5 again, and give it an extra click. Test 1, 1's binding, 2 we already know lows, and lift 3, no, okay. That was even quicker than I expected. Okay, so I'm going to show you on camera the detainers that are in this lock. Okay. Screwdriver. Okay. That actually surprised me how quick that went, to be honest. If you had that on a door, you'd be more than happy on doing that on a door. But it just shows that taking a little bit of time to sort of read the lock at the beginning and working out that I had a low in there. I mean, we'll be able to see what's what in a sec. Okay. So lever number 1 It's about a mid lift, what I'd call that. So medium lift. Lever number 2, yeah, so there you go. So like lever number 2 is pretty much ready to go straight into the gate. So that's right. Lever number 3 is about sort of between halfway and high lift. So we got a fairly low lift on 4. And what we got on 5? 5, we've got a high lift on 5. So we had a good range of levers in there. So as you can see, that's picked live on camera. That's not bad. 5 minutes 40. So that's really good, to be fair. So what I might try and do now is see if we can catch it on camera again. Let's put this all back. I'm going to put it back in the same configuration. So I don't know if I've got keys for this, but this is one of my training locks, and you can see that nothing's been modified. The full levers, no extra gates have been filed in them. None of the gates have been extended. You've got a mixture of highs and lows, so it's, you know, it's not been messed with. Put all these screws back in. And let's see if we can do that again. That'd be nice if we could. Let's go back in there. Mini wire. Okay. So we know 2s are low, so we're going to leave 2 alone. So 1 over to 5. Lifted 5, 4, 3 to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I felt like I lifted something in. It's a lock, feeling lock change. So back to 5. Nice little click out of 5. Lifted that little bit extra higher. 4, 5, 4. Try and get under 3. Can't at a minute. So 1. Leave 2. Onto 3. Nice click on 3, 4, 5. Back to 1. Right, 1. Give me a click, but it still feels like it's bound. So a little extra lift. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't think we're going to get a quick opening like we just did. It's probably because I've opened it that the lock's now reacting in a different way. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see it's a lot of backwards and forwards. That's why I was surprised why I went, oh, right, so we had a nice little jump then. So let's test 1, 2, 3, 4. So everything's starting to react a little bit different now. I mean, I'm definitely put the detainers back in the right order. I took them out, but obviously it's funny because these locks just, as I said before, you can know the combination of these levers and they will never pick the same. There we go. Okay, so it took a little bit longer the second time around, but it just goes to show, okay, that it can be done. Cheers, guys.